Good morning.
White sand in your toes, smell the sea in your nose. Touch the earth, yeah, it glows. Sunsets are pretty shows. Gulls laugh up above, these are things that we love. Palms sway in the breeze, those crazy dancing trees. People play on the shore, you could not wish for more. In the surf under the sun, oh, this is so much fun. And when the sun goes down tonight, we can play under moonlight, and we have so much fun under the sun. We are all one under the sun. Oh yeah, we splash and play all day, still the palms they sway. Build castles in the sand, in the distance hear a band. We take a boat out to the sea, I jump in and you follow me. Beautiful and full of grace, never gonna leave this place. And when the sun goes down tonight, we can play under moonlight, and we have so much fun under the sun. We are all one under the sun. Oh yeah,
We're going to give it a whirl here. It's called Does the Bitter Moon Really Care About How Dark It Gets? I want to thank Scott Metzger for playing the guitar with me today, and thanks Mary and Mike.
They say you're a misery girl, maybe that's why I love your company. This could be your very last chance to say something nice about me. But you're so afraid of life that you wouldn't think twice about ending it once and for all. Does the bitter moon really care about how dark it gets? And if you think you're blind now, well, you ain't seen nothing yet. And so put your head upon my shoulder, 'cause we don't get smarter, girl, we just get older. And the bitter moon doesn't care how dark it gets. The sun isn't shining just for you. It doesn't only rain when you cry. Life breaks your poor hearted too, but the world doesn't stop when you die. Though sometimes it feels like it already has. So they say you're a cynical girl, maybe that's why we get along so well. And this could be our very last chance to fall under somebody's spell. We're so afraid to see what we want to see, that it's safer to shoot out the lights. Oh, let the bitter moon really care about how dark it gets. And if you think you're blind now,
I just finished installing the carriage feed shaft and the carriage feed mechanism. It was not without problems. One problem that I had is I found a tiny little washer and I couldn't figure out where it went. And finally, I'm pretty sure I have it in the right place. Is right in here. One problem that I had that was pretty severe was this carriage feed clutch, and this was rusted in place right about here, and when I installed it, it was still rusted. I didn't catch it. I wanted to leave this together because I thought it'd be too complicated. Turns out that this whole thing needed to move and it wasn't, so I had to disassemble everything. It's a pretty nifty mechanism. So by default, everything is engaged, and like so. And then when this is disengaged, only these front gears, the carriage drive, works. So pretty nifty. Also, these two springs, this spring here and this spring, were just a complete pain in the rear to get on. And that's about it. This whole thing was kind of fun to put together. Thanks for watching. Good night.